Welcome back to Tech Talk. This is episode number 6, and today we're going to talk about how to find a job on Google. So Google has to be the easiest way to look at multiple job listings from multiple companies. So if you want to get your ZipRecruiter, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Monster, and a whole bunch of other sites together all at once, just go to Google. And it couldn't be any easier. Here I am on the main screen of Google, and in my other videos I've shown people how to get Gmail, I've shown people how to make a resume on Docs in Google and how to save it and how to send it, and I also went over LinkedIn and how to look for jobs over there. So you can watch all of those on the channel. And by the way, please like this video, give us a thumbs up, and follow us. Can't help to ask. Alright, so this is going to be a very easy video, very quick. When I was in LinkedIn showing you how to get jobs, I pretended that I was a bookkeeper. So I'm going to follow along the same path here and show you how that's done. One of the critical things here is, and you see I've already played with it, if you can see these, is to make sure when you're looking for a particular job, you put the quotations around it. It's really that simple after that. So I'll show you the first step is to put the type of job and then put quotations around it. So, quotation, bookkeeper job, and the quotation. Let's put 2 K's in there. So I spell it right. Here we go. And click away. Now look what happens here. You have your jobs. We're going to hit this one over here. If you have any saved, to which Google's telling me I do, but I can't remember that, it'll show you here, and it'll also make alerts for you. But let's go into the main page where you really want to be. This is almost top secret by Google, but 2 clicks, and that gets you right there. So now we're on the site, which is kept by Google, which is getting you all these other listings from all these other job sites. So here we are in the main part of the Google job search. It is the easiest job search you can do. To the left over here, you can see various things being highlighted, from executive assistant to bookkeeper on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, you see a description, where to apply and what to do. These up here are more detailed. So if you're actually a charge bookkeeper, whatever that might be, you'll click that. If you're actually a staff accountant, you might click here, or an accounting assistant. So they subdivide it for you. We're just going to keep it at bookkeeper. And then up here you have quite a few choices. Location, new to you, date posted, type, company type, and employer. So let's look at all these in detail. Location should be pretty obvious. It is the distance from where you are, and Google always seems to know where you are. Kind of scary. Now, I don't think too many people will want to travel 60 miles to their job. I think 5 or 15 miles is a much better pace. So now we're going to see listings that are much closer to my area. By the way, I'm down in Florida, so you're going to see Florida locations like Newport Beach or Hollywood. Jobs that are new to me, since I've done this before, it'll show such jobs. The date posted. You have the past day, I guess nobody's putting up postings, the past 3 days, the past week, and the past month. So you can look at jobs that are 3 days old or a day old and apply right away because there's less competition. And I would think an employer would want to see a person who applies right away. They might respond. Here's the type of job. It can be full-time, it can be part-time, it can be contractor. That's up to you, I suppose. I'd rather have full-time. That's just me. The company type. Is it a staffing or consulting or all types of companies? So there are a lot of companies that are staffing groups. You're not actually working for that particular company. They're going to give you to their client. And that works as well. but I don't think that Uncle Bob's is a staffing company. It appears that you're going to apply in there. Now, all these applications, they're not going through Google, they're going to another company. So just be aware of that. Your page and your screen is going to jump to whatever company's website or third-party system that it is. Finally, you can look at the employer. So they have a bunch of employers up here. Robert Half is a staffing company. I believe Randstad is a staffing company. But a few of the others, I think Yachtware is probably not a staff company. And these guys are probably accountants. So you have your choice of employer. It looks likely that especially for a bookkeeper, you're going to go through a staffing company, but that's not all. And last but not least, down at the bottom of the screen, you can turn on email alerts for this search. So if I click yes, it's going to manage alerts. It's going to send it to me. I blocked out my name here. Got it means yes, I accept that. Actually, I'm going to turn that off for now because I really don't want any alerts about being a bookkeeper. But you can see that this search will give you leads every day. New types of leads for different types of jobs that you're going to apply to. And that's it for today. This is a great thing to have. Everybody uses Google, I'm sure. It is a fantastic way to keep in mind that there are still a lot of jobs out there, especially if you have a certain classification, like a bookkeeper, and you're certified with that. I'll talk about certifications in another video. But keep on looking. There's going to be jobs out there. Things will get better. Again, thank you so much for watching Tech Talk and taking your time to listen to me. I'm very honored. Once again, please give me a thumbs up. Please follow us.